Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO band, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this Smartband on the Android phone. Before we start, your Smartband needs to be paired with the phone via the Health application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So, first thing we need to do is to open the settings for the Health application, and you can do it by pressing on the Health application icon, then tap on the app info, and here you can tap on permissions, and right here we have list of permissions, as you can see, and we have allowed and denied. For the notifications we need to allow permissions like call log, contacts, and phone. So let's tap on call logs, tap on allow, go back, tap on the contacts, tap on allow, go back, tap on the phone, tap on allow, and go back. And as you can see, we have call logs, contacts, phone, allowed. Okay, we can now close this and open the settings on our phone. So let's open the settings and settings. Let's tap on the apps and notifications. Here tap on advanced, scroll down, tap on special app access, and right here find the option called notification access. Tap on it, then tap on the Health application. By default it will say not allowed, and right here you will need to basically tap on the switch to enable the notification access for this application. Tap on allow, and once you go back it should say allowed, and what it says after it says allowed, go back. You can close the settings completely and then open the Health application on your phone. Here we can allow the location permission. As you can see, we're gonna cancel, then tap on manage, and right here, as you can see, we have the device page, or rather settings page for our device for OPPO band. Scroll down, tap on sync phone notifications option, and here we can enable or disable the notifications by tapping on the switch, and we can customize it further, as you can see. Okay, we can enable or disable the notifications for specific applications. As you can see, we have the whole list of applications installed on our phone. And we can also enable or disable the options like when not wearing device. And if you enable this option, it's gonna still send the notifications to your Smartband even though you're not wearing it. And the option when phone is unlocked, you can enable this option and it will send the notifications to your Smartband even though the screen is turned on and unlocked on your phone. If you disable this option and the screen will be turned on or unlocked, it won't send the notifications to your Smartband. Okay, once you're done customizing your settings, now you should be able to receive the notifications. As you can see right here back, let's go back, you can see I enabled the notifications for Discord. So now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and we should be able to receive this notification on the Smartband. So let's open the Discord. Send the message. And as you can see, we received the notification on our phone, and we should receive it on our tracker too. But for some reason there's no messages. Let's open it. All right, because the option when phone is unlocked is disabled. So I need to enable this option because I didn't lock the screen, and now I can send the message and I will receive it on our Smartband, as you can see. Okay, and you can check the messages by waking up the screen of your Smartband by tapping on it, then swiping down on the screen, tap on messages. It should show you the messages, but I guess I already view it when I tapped on the screen. So anyway, that's how you enable the phone notifications for the Smartband on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.